Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about sketch the graph. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to draw this one. That is about SY coordinate. So for the first one, when s equals to number 0 and number 4, when we do first derivative and this one equals to number 0, so s equals to number 0 and s equals to number 4, they are critical point. So that means they will be about local mass or local mean. So we put number 0 and number 4 in here because we know that they are the critical point, but we don't know local mass or local mean. So we put number 0 and number 4 in here. The next thing, we see that first derivative of s, first derivative of the function equals to number 1 when s is smaller than negative number 1. From negative number 1, this one is smaller than negative number 1. However, they always equals to number 1. That means first derivative of the function, that is about the slope of the function. We see that the slope equals to number 1. That means that will be like this because they always equals to number 1. So the slope of this one, we know that that is about delta y over delta s. The slope that is about delta y over delta s equals to number 1. So that's why this one that should be about the straight line in here. The next one, first derivative of the function is greater than number 0 from 0 to number 2. That means from 0 to number 2 in here. This one is positive. So when first derivative of the function is positive, the function should be about increased. When first derivative of the function is negative, this one should be decreased. So increase, that means they will go like this. So when first derivative is smaller than number 0, that means they go decrease from negative number 1 to number 0. That means they will go in here. So because decrease, they will go down. And the next one from number 2 to number 4, they will go down like this. And when s is greater than number 4, they continue going down. So because we have the critical point, so we draw a little bit straight line in here. This one they go to critical point here. So this one, that is about local mean. This one we cannot know local mass or local mean because both of the left and the right, they go to decreasing. So the next one, when s approach to number 2 on the left, so here is about number 2. But on the left, when first derivative they go to positive, we can see that this one is the slope of the function. When the slope they go to positive, that means the function they will go like this. And when s approach to number 2 on the right, the slope they go to negative infinity. That means they will decrease. Because negative infinity slope, that means they will go down like this. That's why we need to draw this one. And the next one, if second derivative go to positive, so second derivative is positive, we have concave upward. Concave upward, that is about like this. Here is about the figure of this one. If second derivative of the function is negative, this is about concave downward. That is about this one. So from negative number 1 to number 2, if we look carefully, this graph is about concave upward. From number 2 to number 4, we can see that this is about concave upward. And the next one, this one they go to number 4, and that should be the graph they go to like this. So the graph we can create from this point, they should be go like this. And we can see that this is about concave upward or concave downward. When s is greater than number 4, and here is the answer for the question in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.